Have you ever looked at your Chime debit card and wondered, is this a real bank? It's a question millions of people have asked as fintech apps continue to redefine how we manage our money. You see, with no physical branches and a user experience that feels more like a social media app than a traditional financial institution, it's easy to be confused. The short answer is, no, Chime is not a bank. It is a financial technology, or fintech, company. But what exactly does that mean? It means that Chime doesn't hold a banking license. Instead, it partners with established, FDIC-insured banks, like the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank, to provide you with the services you use every day. Your Chime checking and savings accounts are actually held at these partner banks. This partnership model allows Chime to focus on building a seamless, user-friendly app while leaving the heavy-duty banking infrastructure and regulations to their partners. So, why does this matter to you? For one, it's why your money is safe. Because Chime partners with FDIC-insured banks, your deposits are protected up to the standard $250,000 limit, just like they would be at a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. The fintech model also explains why Chime is able to offer so many of its services for free, no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees with their SpotMe service. They make their money differently, primarily from a small portion of the interchange fees that merchants pay every time you use your Chime debit card. It's a business model that is a direct contrast to the traditional bank model, which often relies on fees to generate revenue. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.